Yeah, so 46,000. Okay, Jessica, congratulations. And how many hours a week do you? I mean, are you doing this? I actually don't know with you guys because you're weird.
I do most of it, and to be honest, I waste so much time every day. It's like, you know.
He's kind of spacey like me.
Wait, what do you do? Are you refreshing?
Wait, what did you do before? Had you ever made this?
He does.
He's refreshing.
I do mostly refreshing.
We're the Lady D guys. You know.
He sits basically and refreshes.
He kind of he rambles along. I don't know where he learned that. So you've made, you know, 46,000 in 6 months. You ever made that much money?
No.
Now, what did you do before this problem?
I was a broken unemployed construction worker.
So another broke construction worker. Now
I make $600 a month.
I would enjoy this if this was like 45,000 a month. I think it'd be really good for you guys. What do you think about 45,000 a month?
I'm definitely down for that.
Can you get to a day?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just send people the video, right? It's easy.
It's easy.
Look at this, guys. I mean, first of all, look at Chris. And then look at the check. Right? Now do that again. And if you say, oh, I can't do that, then there's something wrong. I'm kidding. Hey, you know, these guys are awesome. Hey, you know, badass, man.